to Kamari channel, and today is going to be a vlog. A lot of you guys asked me to do it, so I'm gonna do it. My vlog gonna be lit today because baby, I'm gonna build in the room and we finna be in that thing. Yeah, my booty don't move, but yeah, y'all, we vlogging today. Y'all, my hair is cute, y'all. And look at my necklace with my hand name on it. Bye, baby. Mary, baby. Y'all just get into the fit. Get into the hair, like. Model me, please. But I'll hit you guys back because I gotta go pick up the one. So once we're in the car, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I am in the car. Oh, the sun hitting, y'all. Like, oh, look at that skin. Like, let's get into the bundles. Like, hold on, y'all. I don't like my ponytail. Like, when it be like this or something like that. But y'all, we finna go. I'm gonna go get the one. I need to go get my mom change for 20. And we're gonna go to the mall and drive. Y'all, I be saying they retarded. Don't nobody be telling me, bro. It's so crazy. What the fuck? Ain't no motherfucking gas in this bitch. Like, what the fuck? How the fuck you supposed to go somewhere with no motherfucking gas? I was 110 miles. Or something. I'm guessing. Y'all, like, it's so loud in my neighborhood, bro. It's like everybody fucking trying to cut their grass. Everybody trying to do something. And I'm just really tired of these folks. Y'all, I remember one time I was trying to back into the driveway, y'all. And I hit the mailbox, like, trying to be an expert, like, baby, but it's okay, because I can drive really now, because I done hit about 50,000 things in my car. But I can drive now, like, boom. And then when I be having somewhere to go, baby, it's NASCAR, period. I am a NASCAR driver, though. Bitch, so wide turning it. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when the one get in the car. So, yeah. But you wanna go get your haircut?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's where we finna go. Damn, I cannot draw. Oh, yes, I can. Fuck you hoes. Ooh, if you hear that scream, no, you fucked up. But it'd be hard to, like, kind of drive one hand when you pulling out. Because that's the only thing I need help. Like, when I'm trying to use my one hand, and I be trying to, like, pull out, that's the only thing. And then I need to tell my mama that, baby, your gas is almost out. Your gas is almost out. Hold on, my camera. Dang, why this car right here? You couldn't even see.
That's some big ass wheels.
I swear. Cars coming. But yeah, y'all. So we finna go to the haircut place. Hold this.
At the haircut place.
Smart. You ain't gotta just put it on me. You just hold it though.
No.
Bro, it's crazy just riding in silence. Like, you really in this thing bumping.
God, we be bumping.
I swear. Bitch, I hate folks jump out in front of me like this. Like, ugh.
Bitch, you supposed to push the motherfucking wheel and keep. Damn, hold on, let me see. Damn candy.
Let me see the sun on this side. What? Got me squirming, baby. Got me squirming.
Oh, shit. I got all the orange over here. What's tea?
Boo.
But
That's tea. You know what I'm saying?
tea, I mean.
Teamwork, make the dream work.
I'm looking really. I'm giving me old caveman look right now.
We finna go get to the pull up to haircut place, man. Like, what up? Like, what up? It's us. What up?
Y'all, it be so fun. I hope ain't all of them up in there. I'm really playing. Cause I just be looking.
We don't.
Whole lot of gang shit.
Whole lot of gang.
Oh shoot!
Whole lot of gang
I
gang.
can't cuss like that.
I don't care. It's my channel. I'm gonna be cussing. I'm like,
Can this charger please push it?
you know what I'm saying? You got a charger and driving like that, boo? I be swerving.
No, but they making money.
Oh God, they be out there heat snow. Y'all, it's this car wash by my house. They be out there heat snow. And they be out there heat snow and motherfucking sleep right there washing cars. I be like, boo, it's too hot, it's too cold.
Oh God, they
don't play.
They be washing. I be like, they got on
Thanks.
shorts and it's cold.
Oh God, be out there swim bullets.
I feel like I should be professional.
Oh wait, you got trash for. She needs some gas, cause the gas she got in here is ass. Yeah, freestyle. Give me a beat. Give me a beat. Give me a bitch. That whack ass beat.
Shit.
Give me a beat. Hold on. What? It's on down, huh?
Yeah.
Give me a beat. Give me a beat. I still be going to the motherfucking haircut place. Nigga finna put his hairline back in place. Nigga talking shit. I'ma shoot you in your face. Got the AK-40 in the back.
Hey.
Talking that shit, nigga. You know you was whack. Hey, what's up? Nigga throwing up them stacks, big racks in the pocket like a motherfucking snapback, snap a hoe. Okay, it's little. But yeah.
Bitch, you finna make a whole record.
Hell yeah.
Oh God.
I ain't trying to expose all that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to give you all that.
Then
Where is that?
keep going.
I be forgetting. Cause I only went there one time, so. One time for the. Yeah. It's time for the percolator. Hey, it's time for the percolator.
Next on the docket.
Son of that good. I want some Chick-fil-A.
Damn, they riding in the limo. Who is? Oh shit.
Riding in the limo.
Don't they put caskets in the limo?
Y'all gonna hit you back when we get to where?
We need to be.
Probably the mall or the haircut place. Well, I might hit y'all back, but when I get to the haircut place, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get to the mall. You never know, so stay tuned. Bitch. My motherfucking drink was. Y'all, we at the mall now. We at the mall. I already bought my food, y'all, but I forgot the vlog, so we going back in.
Period. Okay, why the phone is
I only bought a burger this time because I ain't that hungry. I don't need no meal.
Okay. I am on the right.
Open it up for you now.
Oh no, man, I don't thank you. Check out the outfit, guys. Exclusive. Oh, whoa, Kitty. Wait a minute. Oh, whoa.
Alright, guys. Mukbang with just the burger. Spicy chicken sandwich. He still gave me white cheese. I mean, yellow cheese when I said white cheese. Fuck Chick-fil-A, man. That motherfucker set up. I forgot about that.
Fuck, man.
Y'all, so we had some fucking difficulties. Yeah, I put honey mustard on my drink. I mean, not my drink, on my stuff. Cause the burger be dry, so you gotta put some on there. Sauce.
You know I'm saucy.
And it's always a way. And I'm just using hand lip gloss, Sonny. I put my burger out on the table.
Where the fuck gotta find niggas in? That clothes ugly. They jackets. I like the jackets and the shirts. Wrap up your
I only got $2. $2.
Excuse me, it's amazing. Her feels like, alright.
This Chick-fil-A sauce thick as fuck. We want to be shitting. Shitty. Y'all like my burger. Chick-fil-A. I got my bun. So then you just smack it and put it together. And now it's a drippy burger.
Got a little something on the side there. So don't care. She don't care. She don't fucking care.
Why should I care?
Look at her fucking mouth. Look at her goddamn. She just being fucking embarrassing me, y'all. Anyway, so y'all,
Yo,
let me tell
tomorrow
you.
it's kind of trying to jump.
It is kind of.
Like, it's Pat. That must have knew I was gonna be here.
She's vlogging, guys. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to her YouTube channel and make sure y'all go click
Whoa.
that link in the bio.
Bro. Yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back when I get done.
She said I'm gonna call y'all back.
I'm gonna come back when I get done eating, y'all. So, stay tuned. Come into Way Out River Country. So down there, Way Out River Country, y'all look at my suit. Bye. But, yo, beat him up.
Bro, you know not to take
Beat him up.
It's my first name. You so hard.
Keys. What? Ooh, I look a mess. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Take a shower with me. Oh,
I ain't bring no clothes.
you're not supposed to turn this way. The sun this way, man. Yeah, I'm gonna leave where we punch it in. Man, my swimsuit just so bad. Like,
Thought it would.
it look good. I ain't know you was finna kiss me for real. Ooh!
Probably be 4 times.
The my little son, the light the other way.
I need all these ones.
The light the other. Ooh, Keys! You don't let me fall down the stairs. The light the other way.
Damn, that shit smell good, delicious on the game.
Why the?
Motherfucker dodo.
For the vlog today, make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah.